The fun thing about working for Komatsu is there's always that next challenge. And part of the corporate goals has been, even by 2030, to reduce our carbon footprint for CO2 emissions by 50%.
Right now we are purchasing renewable energy credits, or REC, so we're 100% renewable when it comes to the electrical side. In addition to that, they've invested a lot into this building. For instance, we put a 871,000 watt solar system. So we have a climate controlled building now. The HVAC usage has increased a lot, but the solar has pretty much offset that HVAC usage.
We also did some weld fume collection, which made the whole environment just cleaner. We weren't dumping all this weld smoke and grinding dust just into the atmosphere, so that emissions has come down.
Now we're doing motion control on these lights. We can see the energy savings from that. We're doing daylight harvesting, where as it gets brighter outside, we've got skylights. The lights are going to dim down. We have a lot of waste pallets that are beyond repair. So now we're chipping up most of those pallets, and then we've been lining the roads with that. So we've been reusing a lot of this material, which it's condensing these pallets to a lot smaller, so it's a lot fewer dumpsters we have to haul off. We care about our employees, we care about the environment. I mean, any customer that comes in and sees this building can see that it's a state-of-the-art building with a lot of amazing features and equipment and employees working in it.
And it's not necessarily, you know, what does it do for us today, affordability? It's how does it get us to the future, what we want to be. So we are making some expenditures today that are really going to pay off down the road.